Nigerians, we get our own problem oh. But wetin dey happen for Cameroon, the matter tire apart. Dis our African leaders, I no understand them at all. E be like say e get one meeting wey dem go, wey dem say once dem just enter power, dem no wan gree comot. The thing tire person. We know say Nigeria, our matter plenty. Our matter plenty. If you talk Nigeria matter, you go talk until tomorrow morning. But I wan talk on behalf of my brothers and sisters for Cameroon oh. These people are our neighbors, and we don live closely with many of them. We know many of them, they be our friends. So wetin dey happen for Cameroon suppose to concern Nigerians, because plenty Nigerians dey Cameroon. For those wey no know, Cameroon now dey do their election. E get one guy wey dem dey call Paul Biya. This guy, I don't know whether na grandpapa or call am or na great grandpapa. This man na 92 years old, abi na 91, be like say na 92. E don dey there for years. E don dey power for years. But now, you know wetin? As they do their election, e no say, okay, I be 91, make I go do something else. You know wetin e be to dey power for 8 terms? You don spend 8 terms. So I don't know whether na 4 years or 5 years. Just imagine 8 times 4. You don stay country 30 something years. Many people for Cameroon, in fact, the young Cameroonians, dem born dem, they know Paul Biya as president till today. Now wetin? Even marriage sef. Some marriage no go even last reach 30 something years. Na one man wey dem dey call Paul Biya just sit down gidigba for government house. And I dey watch some other YouTube videos. I dey see how Cameroon be oh. Yes, I dey watch some Cameroonian bloggers. They dey show us how Cameroon be. Cameroon as we speak no be anything fantastic. No be say when you dey power, e be like say you dey do well. If you dey do well, dem fit say okay. Let's even say na your birthright, say na your family name they just put, say Biya must be the president for Cameroon for forever and ever. Let's say na wetin they talk. Then you see road, you see good road, you go say okay, at least they do something. But Cameroon now nothing to write home about. Just recently they get issues. I think that they are Anglophone people and they are Francophone people. They are French and English speaking people. They don't they fight for many years. They get internal issues. And people there, in fact, bloggers for there or YouTubers, they know they fit talk, or at least we for here, we they get out, we go fit talk, say president not do something, we go talk. But for Cameroon, they fear. If you see their YouTubers, they know they fit talk oh. You go know say they're not they happy, but it be like say they just put them under cage. They cage. We need to help our brothers and sisters for Cameroon liberate. Now, Cameroon, and if una dey listen to this thing, I beg, make una not vote that man. But I dey even suspect, say not be even votes they put am there. How person go there for 8 tenure, wetin e no get pikin? Okay, even if na the family business, why e no go give him pikin or him grand pikin make e do, at least make people dey see another face? How they go born person in their 30s now, one president they don't know all their life? Wetin? Our African leaders, make una dey think, make una dey think. E be like say that thing wey dey una head no be brain, e be like say na something else. When una the way una dey do things, una dey think at all? Una dey think of the legacies una dey leave? Una dey think of posterity? If country dey good, everybody na go benefit. You see say wetin dey happen to Africans now. Africans don become like problem. They no want Africans for Europe. They no want Africans for America. They don tire for black people. People feel say black people na like stain. If you carry your passport, Nigerian passport, I no know of Cameroon, but if you carry Nigerian passport, you dey travel, you go be like say you commit one crime. The way they go treat you, they don't go treat you well. So Africa and this Nigeria now, they call the giant of Africa. Just imagine if they treat giant of Africa like that, how they go they treat other people? Make we think well, all these our leaders. How wetin be una plan for young people? Wetin be una plan? Una just want stay forever. If una no dey think, when una dey travel go all those places, una no dey think say those things when una dey see there, make una replicate them for here. We get enough, we get abundant resources. Africa dey abundantly blessed. Now make oyibo no wan leave us. So as we dey do it, they find way to enter here to collect our resources, go build their site, and they take our best brains. Now our best doctors, our best professionals, our best different engineers, they take them, they jackpot, and you no go blame them. Things not too good here, so they try to find way to make something for their life. So African leaders, wetin una dey think? When una go meeting, una see Paul Biya, for example, Tinubu. When you go meeting, you see Paul Biya, you see una no dey yab and say wetin sef, you no go leave power. Abi una dey encourage am? Which kind relationship una get? Which meeting una dey go when una be say una must stay office forever? Camerooners don tire. I sure say they don tire. They don tire. People want better things for their country o. People don tire for dis our leaders. Una go dey, una no dey do well. E get one man wey I meet. Dis man come from Sao Tome and Principe. He work for Nigeria for a while. The man, he tell me one thing. Dat time, many years ago, e don reach like 10 to 15 years ago at least, e go one fundraising wey one first lady, the first lady don waka now, don waka go the other side, don leave dis world, don waka. She do one fundraiser like that. People come, dey donate big money. Dis man na for Abuja dat time. The man say, say Nigeria, una get money o. Say if una fit spend just 1/4 of una resources, una no get business with poverty. Na so e talk, say Nigerians get money. If una fit spend 1/4, dis our leaders, una dey spend reach 1/4 of the money wey be our own for us. E dey reach 1/4, abi una just dey chop everything, chop am hand and leg. And dat particular first lady wey do dat fundraiser, she don waka. So even if you steal money, how many years you get for dis world when you dey steal money? Wetin you wan take am do? People wey no steal dey chop. People wey no steal fit even look better pass una, dey live better abundant life, because when you dey make money wey be your sweat, you go dey enjoy am. You no go dey fear. These people wey dey government, dem dey fear themselves. Dem dey fear themselves. Dem dey fear everybody. Dem no, their mind no dey at rest. E no dey worth am. All this money wey una dey steal, make una remove hand o. African leaders, make una tell Paul Biya make e leave hand for the matter, make other people take over the position. No be im family affair, no be im family business, abeg. So abeg, I dey talk to our African leaders, and also I dey also commiserate with the Camerooners. Na commiseration, I pray say when election finish this time, the man go carry im 2 left leg, he go comot for office. Make e go look after im family, make e spend time with the children and grandchildren. Una, abi wetin una think about this matter? The thing, e don tire me. Dis our African leaders, they no, whether na say that thing wey dey their head no be brain na something else. Abeg, make una talk am. Make we continue the conversation for comments. Till I see una for the next video when I go talk about something wey really dey pain me or wey dey sweet me.